In our Here's Something You Should Know About Metro Atlanta, we're featuring the AJC Peachtree Road Race. Get ready to take on the world's largest 10K. Atlanta has held this title since the late 1970s. The AJC Peachtree Road Race has established itself as one of Atlanta's premier 4th of July traditions and has a well-earned reputation as one of the most popular races in the world. Runners soak in the festive atmosphere, a beautiful city course that ends in Piedmont Park, and the beloved finisher's t-shirt. I had 3 or 4 of those myself. Organized by the Atlanta Track Club, the event attracts runners of all ages and paces eager to take part in the 4th of July tradition. Starts July 24th, 2024, 8:30 a.m. and ends 11 a.m. The location is Lenox Square. Costs $50 to join the race. If you want more information, 404-231-9064 is the number. On July 4th, 1970, 150 runners gathered at the old Sears parking lot on the corner of Peachtree and Roswell Road. Of those runners, 110 finished. The group, now known as the Original 110, ran 6.2 miles through Atlanta to Central Park in what would go down in history as the inaugural Peachtree Road Race. In 1978, 12,500 runners. In 1990, 40,000 runners. 1992, 55,000 runners. In 2011, the race cap increased to 60,000 runners. And 2019 marked the 50th running of what has become the world's largest 10K race. It is so exciting. If you've never done it, do it.